What is the difference between Irish Gaelic and Scottish Gaelic? If you're curious about the languages spoken by the Gaels, you might be wondering what sets Irish Gaelic and Scottish Gaelic apart. Let's explore these differences to help you understand these unique languages better. First, it's important to note that both languages share a common Celtic heritage, but they have developed distinctively over time. One of the most noticeable differences is in their pronunciation. Although they have many words in common, the sound and cadence of the languages are quite different. For example, the word children of the family is pronounced differently. In Munster Irish and Northern Scottish Gaelic, it's ton, while in Ulster and County Mayo, it's con, and in Connemara, it's con. Another significant difference is in the phenomenon of eclipsis. In Irish, eclipsis is a historical feature that shows up in the orthography, but is not always reflected in the current pronunciation. In contrast, Scottish Gaelic requires the actual presence of a word final nasal for eclipsis to occur. This means phrases like at the door are pronounced differently. In Southern Irish, it's mess, while in Scottish Gaelic, it's eke no s. Orthographic differences are also prominent. Irish uses an acute accent, syniad fada, while Scottish Gaelic uses a grave accent, strac thrum. For instance, the word for welcome is written as feilt in Irish, but as feilte in Scottish Gaelic. Additionally, Scottish Gaelic always hyphenates the aspirate linker h, whereas in Irish it is attached to the beginning of the word. The grammar and verb structures also differ. Irish Gaelic has a continuous action verb form that does not exist in Scottish Gaelic. Moreover, Scottish Gaelic lacks a present tense for most verbs, except for the verb to be. This simplifies the learning of verbs in Scottish Gaelic, but makes it distinct from Irish Gaelic. In terms of vocabulary, while there are many cognates, the spelling and pronunciation of words can be quite different. For example, the word for year is blian in Irish, but bliadna in Scottish Gaelic. Similarly, black is dúf in both languages, but the pronunciation and surrounding grammar can vary. The regional dialects of these languages also show significant variations. In Ireland, dialects like Munster Irish and Connacht Irish have unique features such as the lengthening or diphthongization of short vowels before certain consonants. In Scotland, the dialects of Northern Scotland and Southwestern Scotland have their own distinct characteristics. In summary, while Irish Gaelic and Scottish Gaelic share a common ancestry, they have evolved into distinct languages with differences in pronunciation, orthography, grammar, and vocabulary. Understanding these differences can help you appreciate the unique characteristics of each language.